Nahilullo ni mah natai dah. Wah changda. Nahilullo.
Very close to me, 'cause I know she breaks so easily. And then I told her, but I knew no matter how I tried to console her, she just do the best she could. But there are times the best is not damn good. And no matter how you try to be kind, there's always still a part of you you leave behind. When it falls apart, there's no easy way to break somebody's heart. I lied and told her she'll be fine, though we both know it was just a lie. I had to do it, 'cause I'd said anything to help me get through it. Until reached out for my hand, and a single touch was more than I could stand. I had to turn away, 'cause I know all the hurt that she was feeling, I was feeling too. 'Cause when it falls apart, there's no easy way to break somebody's heart. So get angry and make me feel like a guilty child, but I realized that never was this time. I wanted her to help me and not to treat me like a friend. I wanted to see me someday. I'd be covering my knees to ask it back again. But she acted like a lady till the end. Oh, what a lady. I thought that she'd bring down, but she smiled at me and never made a sound. And I guess she understood in a way, 'cause this silence told me everything she could not say. When it falls apart, when it's just no easy way, there's just no easy way. There's no easy way to break somebody's heart.
Isa tayo guys, kaming kanta ako ang maestro guys. English na siya. Grabe na siya. English. Please, go. Tapo na lang.